Little life tip for everybody. If you're ever doing epoxy and you decide to tape up your boards so you can put some epoxy in, make sure your boards are room temperature. God. I had some boards and I just put the tape on them, and they were not room temperature. They were a bit colder. And the tape stuck just fine. Just fine. It was fine. Till I put the epoxy in and checked in it a day later. And it's like throwing away money. Let me show you. So here's one of my boards. It was just supposed to be a catcher board. So if I had extra epoxy from this big guy, I was going to throw it in here. And then I did it again, and then I did it again, and then I did it again. So I had 4 boards, just in case.
Let me look at you. Yes, the illusion is remarkable. And
just in case I had extra epoxy, which I did. So then I throw it in here, and it's looking good. And a day later, the epoxy is gone. You look in this hole, it's gone. Where did it go? Well, I'll show you where it went. It just, I mean, look at that mess. God. And then all my awesome green. That was such a great green. It leaked out everywhere. It's all gone. It's gone. So, like I said before, if you're doing epoxy, get it so your boards are the same temperature as the room, the temperature in the room. You be dyslexic, see how fun it is. So that's the only tip I have for you right now, because it's frustrating. You spend all this time mixing up epoxy, and then it's a sob story. And you tell strangers on the internet about it, so you feel better about yourself. But anyways, thanks for watching. Now you know a little bit more about epoxy and taping boards, so you won't make the same mistakes I did. So see you later, everybody. Bye. Uh-oh.
There was a wager, I remember, as to whether a play could show the very truth and nature of love.